Hi, my name is Bob. What I have here is a bottle of hydrocodone. A few months ago I had reconstructive rotator cuff surgery, kind of a painful surgery, but I don't like being out of control of my being, and that includes post-surgery. So all I took were a prescription for anti-inflammatories and extra strength Tylenol, and it worked just fine for me. I went ahead and got this filled anyway because my doctor said, hey, you might want to do that. These came from the Kroger pharmacy. Now Kroger cannot take these back. In Indiana at least, not very many pharmacies can. But I went to Kroger, I called them, and they said, well, come and pick up some of this. This is a way to dispose of drugs like hydrocodone, which is an opiate, safely. You mix this in this with warm water, and it will take away the toxicity. It will take away the bad part about all these pills and negate them and make them worthless, and you just literally take the bottle and put it in the trash because it's not dangerous anymore. Nobody can use what's in here. So we're going to go through and see how we can do this. So just so you know, there are a couple of dozen hydrocodone pills here. Somebody would like to get their hands on them. It's a lot called M366, but we're going to make all these go away. All of them. The instructions are: add warm tap water until vial is up to 2/3 full. Empty contents into the vial, replace the cap and shake for 30 seconds, and then just throw this away, throw the pills away. Okay, here are the pills. Here are the pills. Here's warm water. Two-thirds full. It's settling in on the top. Put the lid back on and shake, 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 shake. Shake your opioids, shake your opioids. And then you wait about 30 seconds. So let's fast forward 30 seconds. Here's what it looks like. It turns into sludge. So it's just nothing but paste at this point. It's now no longer an opioid. It will no longer hurt you. Trash can. It's done. That is a much safer and better way to dispose of opioids than throwing them down the drain, or putting them in the toilet, or throwing them in the water or earth system, or for God's sakes even taking them. So I hope you can use this. I hope your nearby pharmacy also has that RX Dispose. Thanks for watching.